Last week on Southern Star, we celebrated the 4th of July by getting away from the holiday craziness and sailing to the Marquesas Keys. We wondered, who is this Fat Albert? And discovered he is an Air Force surveillance hot air balloon. Have you found this in your water tank or filters? If you are adding water directly to your tank without a pre-filter, there's a good chance you're introducing chlorine into your system. White chunks or a gritty substance coming out of your faucet could be aluminum chloride, which happens when chlorinated water reacts with your aluminum water tank. You definitely need to get a pre-filter. This week I'm going to be doing a product review on the Camco Water Filter, which is what I personally use on my own boat. Stay tuned to the end of the video for the scientific results. Driving to the marina today to do a few projects, and I'm trying to dodge the raindrops. As you can see ahead, it's quite a blustery day. Fortunately, as I turned onto College Road, which is where my marina is located, it's a beautiful sunny day. It looks like a few clouds. I'm hoping that rain stays away long enough to be able to get a couple projects done on my boat today. And here is the unboxing for the Camco RV water filter. Also, the Camco boat water filter. This is how it comes packaged. What I really like about this water filter, it also has the little spring attachment so the fittings on the end don't break off. Here is the filter unboxed. It's rather light. The filter itself, I would say it is probably maybe a pound. And this is the part that I was talking about earlier. They call it a no kink flexible hose protector. And what this does, it screws into this end here. That end screws into the dock. And when you move the hose around, this spring here allows it to bend without kinking or breaking off. Here is my hose spigot. And here is the water filter all ready to hook up. And it's very simple. There we go. We just hook it in here. Believe me, it really is easier than it looks. It's just very difficult one-handed. There we go. You just attach it right there. Hey, if you can't laugh at yourself, who can you laugh at? Okay, so there's the setup. You have it attached at that end. There's the filter. And there it is attached with the no kink hose protector on that end. I want to take a minute to show you the flow that comes out of the hose with the pre-filter attached. And the flow is excellent. There's been reports from other filters that the flow is restricted. I don't find that to be true at all with this filter. And now you're going to have nice, clean, fresh water, pre-filtered, chlorine-free. Hey, I'm on board now. And what I'm going to do is actually take a test kit and test the water to see what the level of chlorine is after it's gone through the pre-filter and into my tank. So I'm going to go ahead and take one of these vials. And fill it with water. Okay, I'm at the galley sink and I'm going to proceed to get a water sample. Fill up my vial. I'm going to rinse it out a little bit. This is water from my tank, and I've used the pre-filter, and I'm going to check to see if there's chlorine in the water. There shouldn't be. It's a really good filter. Here is the test kit for it, to use 5 drops to test to see if there's chlorine in here. And we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 drops. We're going to put the little lid on and shake it up and let it sit for a minute. All right, here it is, scientific proof. There's no chlorine in the water. I use the pre-filter, which is the best way to do it, honestly. You don't want to try to treat the water once it's in your tank for chlorine, because it's too late. It's already got in the tank and is reacting with your aluminum if you have an aluminum tank. So use the pre-filter. They're inexpensive. They're easy to get on Amazon. And I will definitely add the links in the description below to the Camco filter, which is the one I'm using, and I really like that filter. Again, scientific proof. There's no chlorine in the water.